In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Elementor to ensure that your hard work is preserved and easily accessible for future use. Whether you're creating a stunning new page or tweaking an existing design, saving your work properly means you can effortlessly revisit and reuse your favorite layouts whenever you need. Let's dive right into the process. Once you've completed your edits in the Elementor editor, whether you've just polished a single section or revamped an entire page, it's important to make sure these changes are not lost. Head over to that familiar pink button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Depending on your situation, you'll either see Publish if it's a new page or Update if you're modifying an existing one. A single click on this button will save all your recent amendments live on your website. However, what if you want to save this layout or a specific section as a template for future use? That's an incredibly smart move if you aim to maintain consistency across various pages or simply want to save time in the future. Look closely next to the pink Publish or Update button. You'll notice a small downward pointing arrow. This is your gateway to a variety of save options. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Save as Template. This allows you to capture the current design and store it in your library of templates. A prompt will appear asking you to name your template. Let this name be descriptive enough to remind you of its content or the page it's supposed to be used on. This is an excellent habit to adopt as it will save you time later on when you're sifting through your collection of templates. After you've carefully chosen a name, click the Save button to lock it in. Once saved, this template will be neatly tucked away for future reference. You can easily locate it by navigating over to Templates in the WordPress dashboard. From there, click on Save Templates and then simply head to the My Templates section. Here, you'll find your newly saved design ready and waiting to be utilized for upcoming projects. This straightforward process ensures that all your creative efforts are just a few clicks away. Whether you're managing numerous client projects or just your own site, using Elementor's Save as Template feature significantly enhances your workflow. It contributes to keeping your designs applicable and your productivity at an all-time high. Mastering this simple yet efficient tool will undoubtedly become an indispensable part of your web design arsenal. So, remember to take a few moments to save your work as a template, and you will surely thank you for it.